In this particular video, we're going to talk about email authentication. It's about time that you learn the basics of protecting your email box from spam. In this video, you're going to learn how to use cPanel and tell cPanel to do just that, and authenticate all the emails that are coming out of your domain as legitimate emails. What this does is it protects you from other people abusing your email. I'll show you in just a second how all this works. There are two things that you want to do. You want to, of course, scroll down and find the email section. After that, you're going to want to do two things. The first thing you want to do is open Spam Assassin, which will basically protect you from spam. We'll open that up in a new window. The next thing we want to do is what we call email authentication, and we'll open that up into a new window as well. Let's start with the Spam Assassin first. Spam Assassin basically is a mail filter. It will filter out your email. You have the ability to set it at a high and a low. By default, it's going from 1 to 10. So default is going to be 5. The higher the number, the more conservative the settings. So you can get really granular and block everything out, but I would caution you at that same point because at the end of the day, some of the good emails might be triggered as spam. I've seen that over the years. You have the option to auto-delete spam. Personally, I would not do that because, like I said, if it is good email that is triggered as spam, it will auto-delete. You'll never get it. And if you rely on your email and your website for your business and all that to make money, then that's not a good thing. Usually, I leave it at 5. You can click Configure to configure it further. The only reason why you would actually need to do this is if you happened to be getting bombarded with spam from a specific person. You can enter the information here. Or, if you have a whitelist from a certain domain, you can do that as well. But typically, the first step is all you really need. Let's talk about email authentication. Let me read this to you so you understand what it's about. Email authentication helps prevent spam. How? Well, basically, what a lot of spammers do is hijack your domain, or they'll email from your domain, or they'll pretend to do so. What this does is it prevents spammers from forging emails that claim to be your domain. You want to protect your domain as much as possible, because if you end up on a blacklist, that can be potentially very harmful for your email deliverability. Meaning, if you're emailing from that email, when the ISPs like Gmail, all these other internet service providers or email service providers see your email, they'll put it straight into the spam box, and you don't want that, right? So, you want to protect as much as possible. It's best to do that by clicking Enable for the DKIM, and then you can enable the SPF here. So, doing those two items will help you greatly. As far as protecting your email and your email reputation goes, in relation to the email service providers keeping your domain whitelisted.